Hello, my name is Horace Ward, and I work for Yakima Valley Emergency Management. In this video, I'm going to tell you about the types of kits a family need to have in case of an emergency, including what is needed, how much, and for what situations. For more information, please pick up one of our 2 weeks ready pamphlets or go online to Yakima Valley Emergency Management's website. The current recommendations for any emergency is to prepare for 2 weeks. That's a lot of supplies, but what specifically? For water, each family member must have a gallon a day to stay hydrated and healthy. The stored food must be non-perishable so it can be readily stored, grabbed, and prepared. The extra clothing should be enough to keep you warm in case an emergency happens during the wintertime, and an extra pair of shoes should be sturdy and non-breaking. Everyone in the family should have their own hygiene items like combs and toothbrushes. Sharing things like those are good ways to spread diseases and are just kind of gross. This isn't all you would need to have prepared. Other things would be flashlights with plenty of extra batteries, can openers or other things to prepare food, medical equipment or prescriptions, supplies and bedding for pets, plenty of toilet paper, money, important documents like insurance or birth certificates, and a first aid kit with bandages and rubbing alcohol. The final thing on the list would be something to keep yourself and your family entertained after the emergency. This could be a board game or a few books, or even maybe a portable DVD player. The next thing to prepare is a plan. A great thing to have is a family phone tree to make sure everyone in your family is safe after an emergency. Designate places where everyone can meet up and be together, and have whistles or radios if phones cannot work. For more information, you can go to the Yakima Valley Emergency Management website for lists and tips to make sure your family is as prepared as possible. You can also attend free disaster skill workshops offered by Yakima Valley Emergency Management for hands-on training. This is Horace Ward, signing off.